Hello guys, my name is Daniel and I'm recording this as a team member for Web Oracle. Alright, so you can take a look at this banking website. This is a banking website, we're showing you a tutorial on how to create this kind of website. So you can see how beautiful the interface is, let's explore how the website looks like. Alright, so let's try and, open an account, try to log in, and then we see how it works. So once we try to create account or log in, it will require us to do this Google reCAPTCHA test. You just need to input the right code, and then we'll be have to proceed. So this is just log in with your account number and password, or you click on enroll for online banking, and then you can register from here. You just need to accept the terms and conditions. Just click accept, and then you have to fill your name, your password, your last name, city, and all of that. And here is the admin dashboard. So let's say we have logged in as an admin. The first thing you will see once you log in as an admin is the users that you have on your website. So we have the from here you can fund the user account, you can send email to a user can deposit with cryptocurrency, they can do their KYC application, they can get a visual card. Those that deposited, you can see the transaction that is happening on the website. You can send a personal email to users, they can see their cards that is linked to their account, you can create a user account from the admin dashboard, and lots more like that. There are a lot of things you can do from here. So here is the list of the users. So for any kind of, you want to fund the user, all you need to do is tap on fund the user account, then you click on fund user. Then once you tap on fund user, you would be able to add any amount you want to credit that particular user. So let's say you want to credit this user $6,000. You can put the description, the time you want to send an email of notifications to the user that your account has been credited. All you need to do is just do that from here, and then you click on submit, and then the user will get credited. Yes, and here is the CPanel details. For you to arrive here, you must have purchased an hosting and domain. Right? So for this kind of script, we recommend different kind of hosting like Namecheap, Hostinger, and we have a particular kind of hosting that we can guarantee you that you can use. So if you want to get that kind of hosting, you can contact us through the link or the phone number here, so that you can get access to get the hosting that is that is bulletproof, and then you won't have issues with deceptive sites. Yes, it will be able to stand the script. So we are advising that you get an hosting from us, and if you want to get from other companies, you can use Namecheap, Hostinger, Amon Web, and all others like that, but we recommend that you go for our hosting. So after getting the hosting and domain, you will be able to get here to the CPanel, and once you are here, ensure to tap on MSQL database, and then from creating database, you just put anything you want, anything of your choice in that place, and click on create database. But ensure you have what you created here. Just copy that, copy that information there. Yours might be different. You have a different name, and just paste it somewhere. Right, I'm just going to write DB name and then paste what I copied. Right, so I'm going to click go back, and then I would go to my SQL users, just scrolling down, just name it anything, and then the password, you can just put any password, or you click on password generator and generate a password here. All right, so ensure you also go back to note that password down, because you'll be needing it later in this video. Go back, just note it down there, and then you go back and click on create user, and also you have to copy this. You have to copy this again, this, just Ctrl+C, and then you go back here and go, you're just saving it, because we'll be needing it later in this script. All right, so let's just click go back, and then there's one more last thing at this aspect. You can see add user to database. You click on the user you created and the database, and then you click on add, and then if you bring out this, tap on all privileges, scroll down and click make changes. All right, so it is as easy as that for that aspect. So we are going to go back now to our CPanel once again and do some other stuff. You have just few things to do. We're just going to click on email account, because we'll be creating an email account that users will be using to get confirmation link, get notifications when they make deposits, when they register, when they make transfer, and that is what. So you just have to create the email here, your username, your shares, you can make it admin at, you can make it support at. So you can just generate your password for the email down here. Just copy it, ensure you are copying everything and then saving it somewhere. Yes, because we are still also going to use everything we are documenting down. So the email, let's just write the password. We copied it already. Let me just paste it, and then just have to create email down here. So let us create the email in a few seconds. All right, it's done. So just copy the email you just created, the support at shieldedcredits.online, and then you paste it here. Yes. All right, so we are done with emails. So there's some information that we still need in this email later on as we progress in installing the script. So let's just proceed to File Manager and upload the script that we'll be using for this banking website. So just load up File Manager. That is where we are going to be uploading our scripts. So once you are here, just double tap on public HTML. Yes, that is the way we'll be uploading the script. If you have a folder, you have to still enter public HTML and then create a folder and upload your script there. And if it's a subdomain, you still need to enter public HTML and then you locate your subdomain. But I'm uploading it directly into the main domain of this script, so I would just upload it directly. You can delete that file, it's not necessary. So just click on upload up there, and then you select the file that was sent to you. A file will be sent to you. That is how you can use it to develop and design this banking script. So just select file and look for script. So I'm just going to select the file from my laptop. That is the script. So that is the banking script. How to get the script, you get to know it before the end of this video. So it will take a while to load up depending on your network. So depending on your network, it's going to take a while. So I might just probably pause the video and then show us when it is done, and then get back to us when it is done. So let's just hold on while the video is processing. Don't forget, I said we recommend different kind of hosting, but we advise that you get from us. All right, so once this thing is in 100, ensure it turns green. Make sure it is turned green before you now click on go back. So once you click on go back, the file would now have been on your file manager. As you can see it here, imperialpremium.zip. So we need to extract this file by right clicking on the file, extract. So just right click, and then you see extract and click on close. So we have two files here. So you just need to double tap on this Imperial Premium. It's on the wrong folder, so you're going to click on select all. Once you select all, then you click on move, and then you just clean that Imperial Premium folder. Click that Imperial Premium folder, and then you let it have only public HTML / then you click on move files. Yeah. So by doing that, we now have our file. You can delete this one now, you can delete that folder. So by now we now have our files in the correct folder, in the correct area. Right, so now you just have to now go down and visit the website, and let's see what we have right now. If what we have done is correct, the website front end is supposed to load successfully. And so you can see now the preloader is already loading, which means that the script has now been installed on the right folder. All right, so you can see, but that's not all. Once we click on account login, it's going to display an error because we have not connected everything that is needed. So for that, we are going to go back to our CPanel. We are going to locate PHP My Admin. Yeah, we are going to locate PHP My Admin. Just come down and look for it on your hosting. Yeah, PHP My Admin. There is a database file that we need to upload to the database. Yeah, so we're doing that now. So once you are here, just tap on the database you created the other time. We created the database and you noted it down. You're going to see it here. Just tap on it, and then you're going to see import up here. After tapping on it, just click on import, and then you can see choose file. You tap on choose file. The database is inside the script, the file that will be sent to you. So just click on it, click on that. Just locate the database, that is it, iwebtech.db.sql. So just tap on it, and then you just have to click on it again. iwebtech, yes, that is it. So just click on open, and then you just scroll down and then you click on import. So that is going to help us, in storing the database of our users. When the users registers, they can easily be able to use their login and username again. So once you tap on it, you're going to see a lot of tables that have now been added to the database. And from here, you can change the admin password. You can even change the user password. All right, so let's go back and let's locate PHP version. Yes, let's PHP version. We're also going to be changing our PHP version from here. So this script supports PHP version 7.4. PHP version 7.4 is what we are going to be changing this to. All right, so let's just hold on while it loads. Yours might be PHP selector, while some hosts might be using multi PHP manager. So if you can't find select PHP version, then you should see multi PHP manager. But for select PHP version, you are going to see this. Just tap on 7.4 and click on apply, and that is all. But if yours does not have this, you would see multi PHP manager. Then it's almost the same as this. So let's go back to control panel, and then we go back to file manager. We want to connect our database, those information we saved. We want to connect it to the scripts. All right, so let me just refresh this place. So we enter public HTML. Yes, you go into the account folder, account folder, enter into that place I double tapped. Then you allow it load, and then you go into the scripts. You can see scripts. Then go into the scripts, and then you look for connect.php. You look for connect.php, right click edit, and edit once more, guys. All right, so, and once you are here, you are going to see three lines where you need to edit, which is the username, the password, and the database name. That was the info we saved the other time. So you need to go back to my notepad where I store them. I'm going to copy the database name, and show you are copying and pasting. Don't type it. Then I'm going to erase the one there, then paste the correct one. Go back there and copy the username, and then I'm just going to clean this, highlight it, and paste it. And then I'm also going to go back to copy the password. Just going to go back to copy the password, and then fix it also, highlight it, and then I paste it. And then I'm going to click save changes up there on the upper right corner, and then I am done connecting the script to the database. So by now my website should be working perfectly. So if I refresh this page, it shouldn't show page, it's not working. It should be loading the login page or Google reCAPTCHA. And as we have it, the page from here, from my own end, is loading perfectly. Yes. So guys, that is how easy it is to install a banking script. It is so much easier. You are not even playing with codes at all. It has all been made easy for us. All right, so let's do one more or two things. So let's just come back to CPanel, and let's have a few things we can still do. Yeah, let's yes, we really still need to change the admin password, the one that came with the script, with the SQL file we uploaded earlier. We need to do that. We need to change the admin username and password. Well, before then, like I said, if you need this script, please reach out to us through the link or the phone number you are looking at, so that you can get the script. Ways to get it is also included in the documentations below this video. All right, so, and also we are recommending that you get an host from us or other reliable companies. So just tap on, let's locate PHP My Admin. Let's locate PHP My Admin from here. It is from this PHP My Admin where you uploaded database. That is where you are also still going to change the admin username and password. So let's say you forgot your password, you can come and reset it from the PHP My Admin. So just go down and then look for users here on the table. Tap on users guides, and then you would have all those that have registered on this website. All those ones that came with these tables are just demo users. So you just have to just tap on users, and then the first user should be the admin. The first user should be the admin. So that's that. You can see the email and the password. So you just have to tap on edit on that line that's admin. Just tap on edit, and then you can see the email, that is admin@gmail.com. So I'm just going to leave the email where it is. I'll just copy it and then I'll go and save it somewhere. Yes, you must always ensure to save your details. Yes, always ensure to save your details. So the admin logs, that is the email. Then the password, you can see the password is left in an encrypted file. So you need to first of all tap on this box beside the password. You change it to MD5. Yes, you need to select MD5. After selecting it, we can now tap on the box and change what is there. Sorry, let's locate MD5. Yes, that is it. And then you can now input anything you want for your password. Just input anything you want for the password. Yeah, and then just copy it and paste it once again, guys. Ensure you are saving everything you copied so that you don't have to reinstall the script all from the beginning again, right? So, and automatically the website admin login details has been changed, and then you have a new password, right, using the same email, and then we can now log in into the admin dashboard with that details. So to log into the admin details will be shieldedcredit.online, your domain name /account and then /admin. That is the link for the admin login. Your domain.com or .online /account and then /admin. That is going to be the URL for the admin. All right. So let's just do that. So that's account/admin. Then I'm going to click on the enter key. And then we have this. So I'm just going to input what I copied. Don't forget the admin username and password we copied the other time. Okay, so let's just go and grab it. You can see I'm saving everything, even the admin link to log in. I ensure to document it down, and that is what you should do so that you can easily know where the mistake is coming from when you encounter issues, right? So that just copy the password, then click on paste and then continue, and then we'll be logged in into the admin dashboard where I showed us in the beginning of this video. And so automatically you are going to see your users here. So what you must do is to first of all change the logo and favicon of the user's dashboard, and from here you can just upload your own logo by selecting that particular one and changing it. Then we also have email settings, email and SMS configuration. This is where you set up the email you created the other time so that users can receive confirmation email, deposit email, registration email, and all of that. So we just have a few things to fill here. Let's just go back to our CPanel. Let's go back to our CPanel. We need to go back to the email account we created because we need some details. We need some details from here. I'm just going to go to email account, then click on check email. The informations we need to fill in the admin dashboard are right inside that particular email. The first email that was sent to that email was the informations of the email account. Beautiful. Yes, actually beautiful. So I'm just going to click on open here. Just click on open. After I've clicked check email earlier, you are just going to tap on open. So the email is going to open, and you can see the first email that entered is the information of the email you created, where we are going to have the SMTP host, the username, the password, the incoming server, outgoing server, the IMAP up, a lot of that. All this has a lot of use, but we're just going to be copying the ones we need for our website. So the outgoing server, mail. You can see your domain.com. Just copy it and come back to the admin dashboard, and you paste it inside the admin SMTP port for email account. Okay, that's the wrong tab. All right, so the SMTP host, because I'm just going to highlight these and paste the correct one. Oh, sorry, I'm just going to erase that, highlight again and paste the correct SMTP port, which I just copied from my email account on my CPanel. I'm just going to copy the username of the mail. The username we created, it was support@mydomain.com. I'm just going to copy that. Just going to copy that, then Ctrl V, clean the one there, and then paste it on. So I'm just also going to copy the password. You know, we created this email password when we were creating the email the other time. I'm just going to paste it there, and then I'm just going to change the name of the email. That is the name that is going to show that, okay, this email is coming from so person. So you need to change that name and change it to the name of your website. Beautiful, isn't it? So just leave that one and then click update and then click OK and hold on for some seconds for it to be updated. All right, so let's try and see other things we can do. Let's go to general settings. General settings, that is where we can edit some stuff on the website. So let's go to general settings, base URL. Here you'll be changing what is here to your website domain, your website link, but you must ensure to add /account. Yes, you must ensure to add /account. Yes, so just paste it there and then make sure /account is there. Then your site name, change it from Lego, you change it to the name of your website, not your website link, just the name of the website. And the short name of your website, that should just be the short name of your domain. So let me just use SC, and then the email address, you change it to what you created. So you can just copy it again. That is the reason why you are documenting a lot of things down, because we always be needing this information while installing the script. So I'm just going to come to email address and then tap on it, and then you just scroll down and then you save it. Just scroll down and then you update it down here and wait a few seconds for it to save. Right, and that's that, guys. We have that already. So let's visit our website, and I think we should just try to create an account and let's see how the website is working. All right, so this is the website. So let us click on open account. You can see it's still showing Umbrella Premium. We will change it later. So let's just input the Google reCAPTCHA code and let's try and create a user. Let's create a register and then let's see how the website works. All right, so I'm just going to click on enroll for online banking. So I'm just going to fill this place very fast, and I'm going to use my active email so that we can see how the website is sending email. You know, as it's sending email, sending confirmation email, your account number, it's going to send the account number and account details to users. All right, so I'm just going to be fast in filling these places. So kindly note that the information I'm filling here is not correct. It is just for, you know, for tutorial purposes. So if you are using the wrong host, if you go ahead to use some host, it might give you issues that your website script will not work. Your script might not work. Your website might not work as it is supposed to, and that is why we're recommending hosts like Hostinger, like Harmon Web, and preferably we are advising that you make use of our own host. So if you want to get an hosting, just reach out to us from this from this video. You can see our contact details. Ensure to reach out to us and then let us have you and get you your host and domain from our site. That is recommended. Yes. So just use the account password to two-factor PIN, confirm the password. You can decide to choose an image. This is just the registration page for a user, and you can see how beautiful the registration page is. Oh la la, I'm sure you love this. Let's just choose a kind of image and then let's click on submit. Let me just save the details. I think, oh, I didn't input the correct home address, so let's just, I think I was too short. Wanted to make it fast, so let me just try and add more gibberish. So let me scroll down and then I click on submit. Yeah, but now I think that is correct. Wow, congratulations, your account has been successfully registered. The confirmation email has been sent. So let me check my mail and then let me see if I've received a confirmation email with my account number, and then the password I selected is going to be what I'm going to use to log in to this website. I chose a password while trying to create an account just now. So let me just try and log in to my email and then confirm if the email has been sent to me. So let me just open a new tab and then log into my email here. So this is my email. You can see that is the first email that entered. Email confirmation. David, that was the name I used in registered. And you can see it sent my account name, my account number, the account type, and when I registered the account. Is that not beautiful? So I'm just going to confirm my email by tapping on that link, and then it's going to say my email account registration completed, and now I can now log in. So these are automated based on what you have you did in the admin dashboard. So now let us log in and let's see how the website user dashboard works. We just did a little view of it the other time. So 182.555 can verify code, and then I'm going to input my account ID. So let me just copy my account ID from the password. It generates account number automatically. So like I said, you are not playing with any codes here because this has been done for you. Just paste the account ID, and then I'm going to just input the password I used while creating the account. If that is correct, it's supposed to log me in. I'm supposed to be logged in if that is correct. Okay, my account is currently inactive. Yes, so I have to go and approve the account from the admin dashboard. The admin has to approve every user account so that nobody can just like your normal bank do. They have to approve your account before you can start using it to transact or use their mobile app or anything. That is the same way this script works. Yeah. So you just need to go back to your dashboard, and then you're going to see I'm the latest user. So you just need to locate all these arrows, and then you can see there's an arrow there that says send email, fund account, and then approve account. So I'm just going to tap on approve account, and automatically my account gets approved, and you can see user have been activated. So if I go back to my user dashboard now, I am going to be able to log in successfully. Yes. So let me just repaste this. My password. Let me put my password, guys. And I should be in right now if my password is correct. And you can see successful, and I'm logged in into my dashboard. And can you see how beautiful this dashboard is? Good afternoon, David Eds. You can see I can transfer, I can pay bills, I can deposit, I can transfer fund. I can, you can see my balance. I have a $0 from my balance. So let me just try and credit myself. You can see fund accounts on the David Eds. That is me. So I'm just going to tap on fund account. How much do I want to fund this account with? Let me say $5,000. The purpose of the transfer, let me just say salary, and then send email notification that I received alert. Yes, let me click on continue, and then it's just going to confirm if it is correct. Send money to David Eds. So I think my network is poor. All right, so confirm transaction. Then I'm going to confirm the transaction. Okay, I think because I clicked on it multiple times. So you can see it is approved. And if I go back to my user dashboard, this is my personal account. If I refresh, it's $0. So I'm just going to refresh now. Since the admin has credited me, I'm going to refresh, and right now I have $5,000 on my account. So let me try to transfer again to somebody. Let me tap on the transfer button, and then the amount to transfer. Let me just select 15. Continue to next step. You can see it is going to request for the bank name I want to send money to. It is going to request for, we have a lot of banks here. Bank sort code, bank account number, just filling it randomly. Account holder, you can see account holder, donut. So the description is optional. So So just click on continue to next step, and then it's going to add request for some codes, which you need to message your bank to get the code. If that is what you set up in the admin, then it's going to request for code because we enabled it in the admin. Right, so you can see it says enter IMF code. I say enter IMF code. So I'm just going to go back to the account manager of the admin. So the admin can decide to send the IMF code to the user personally. So once you're on the user, you can see, you can scroll down, you can see the IMF code for the user. That is how bank does. You have your own personal two-factor authentication PIN. That is your PIN code for making transfers and all of that. But for all those international countries, they make use of all this code. So you can just copy the IMF code here. You can see, you can even change it. So just copy it. You can copy it and send to the user, or you just complete everything on your own end. So verify IMF is going to request for another code, which is the COT code. You also go back to that particular user. You go back to that particular user again, and then you copy the right code. So COT, cost of transfer code. That is how international banking website works. So I'm just going to copy the COT code. So paste it here also. So verify COT. Verify COT code supplied. It said I should enter my OTP. OTP will be sent to my mail. The OTP will be sent to my mail. You can see the credit alert notification that I entered the other time. You can see confirm transaction. So this is the code. This is the email code. I'm just going to paste it, and then I'm going to say verify OTP. And then the transaction has been successful. And then the money will be deducted from my account. And the notification, the debit alert, will be sent to my email. As you can see, I now have 35 left. So you can disable the COT, the IMF code from the admin dashboard by going to general settings on the admin dashboard and disable. You can see the receipt. So you can just go to the admin dashboard, go to general settings and disable the COT and IMF code if you don't want it. But the standard banks, the standard international banks make use of those IMF code. So if your user wants to transfer, they can request for their IMF code through your support email, and then you go to that user account and copy it and send to them, or you just complete the transaction on your own. Alright, so they can link external card, they can request for ATM card, visual cards from their dashboard, and lots of stats. So you can see how beautiful this is. They can even deposit based on what you set up in the admin. There's a lot of things to explore on the admin dashboard. So here you see you're still on the user account. Alright, so let's visit our website, and we can see that we still have some stuff like Imperial Premium. Imperial Premium is the name of this clip, so you might want to change it to your own bank name like Shielded Credits, HSBC Bank, and all of that. So let me show us how to edit that. You just come back to your CPanel where you have your files, your public HTML, and then you click on index.php, then right click on index.php. So once you enter public HTML, you are going to see a file named index.php, and that is where you'll be able to save this. So let's just copy this. Let's copy this. Then go to your index.php here. Then select Ctrl F on your keyboard, Ctrl F on your laptop. Just Ctrl F, and then you're going to see a box at this right upper corner. Just paste that Imperial Premium name, and then click on the plus icon, and then tap on, and just put your own bank name. Then you click on all beside it, and you click on replace, and then you click on save changes. Automatically all the Imperial Premium on the home page is gone already. So let us refresh it. So you will see that Imperial Premium will now be changed to Shielded Capitals. So you can see that it is as easy as that. So any other thing you want to change on this page, all you need to do is copy it, go to the index page, and let me show you how to edit all these ones. You can also see edit all these ones. Just go back to CPanel, go to footer.php. That is the footer. Footer means the ending of a website, and then you click on edit, and then you just copy anything you want to change, copy it, and I think it should be down here. That is the email of the website. Here's this. Let me just I'm unable to copy it. Ctrl F again, just paste that name of that Imperial Premium and change it to shaded capitals, the name of your home bank. So I'm just going to click on all, and then you click replace. That is the same thing I'm going to do for project services. For the project, you have project.php. You are going to just right click, edit. You can see service details, edit anything you don't want there. Just click on the services page, methods page, and go to create a banking website. Just go to those PHP files, edit anything you want there, and then you have it. So for you to get this script, for you to be able to do everything I said to you, you know, for you tutorial, you need that script. So to get that script, just send a message to the number on the screen here, or read through the informations below this video to get access to the video. Thank you for your time. Once again, my name is Daniel Ajayi, and I am recording this video on behalf of Web Oracle team. Thank you.